Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts. Today we're delving into the enchanting world of the Dwarf Bog Buttons, scientifically known as Eriocaulon minima. Join us as we explore the intriguing history, unique features, ideal growing conditions, companion planting tips, and the various uses of this captivating living organism. Let's uncover the captivating history of the Dwarf Bog Buttons. This fascinating plant is native to the wetlands and boggy regions of North America, where it thrives in the shallow waters of marshes and ponds. Some common names for this lovely plant include dwarf pipewort and bog cotton. With its delicate thread-like leaves and tiny button-like flower heads, it adds an enchanting touch to any water garden or moist habitat. The small size of this plant makes it a perfect choice for even the tiniest of garden spaces. Creating the right environment for your dwarf bog buttons is essential for its success. These little gems flourish in full sun or partial shade, and they prefer consistently moist soil or shallow water. You'll want to ensure they have adequate drainage to avoid waterlogged roots. While the dwarf bog buttons may prefer wetter conditions, they can coexist beautifully with other aquatic plants like water lilies, cattails, and irises. This harmonious combination creates a mesmerizing water garden that is sure to captivate all who see it. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the dwarf bog buttons serve an essential ecological purpose. They provide habitat and shelter for various aquatic insects and small creatures, helping to maintain the delicate balance of wetland ecosystems. Additionally, they are a great addition to rain gardens, helping to control erosion and filter runoff. Embrace its fascinating history, unique beauty, and essential care tips to enjoy this enchanting plant in your gardening and farming endeavors. Thank you for joining us on this enthralling journey through the diverse species of living organisms that grace our planet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting explorations of nature's wonders.